Hey subbies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl Gisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes. Not any other video, but another reaction video. So this is a video suggestion for one of my loyal subscribers. Hey Savvy. So today I'm going to do a reaction to this trailer called The Lady of Heaven trailer. So this is my first time reacting to it. So if I end up loving this trailer, I'll hop over to whatever is playing on and watch it. So if I get to enter this video, I want you guys to like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I upload another video. And without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
The world is in shock as a group of terrorists has taken control of large areas of Syria and Iraq.
The world can be a cruel and dangerous place. Remember, even if you're afraid, be strong. Your loving mother, Fatima.
Did your mother ever tell you the story of the Lady of Heaven? She was very special. Daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
My time is near. And afterwards, my lovely Fatima, you will face many trials.
With my father no longer here to lead us, evil is with those who will extinguish the light of truth.
You're gonna let a woman tell us what to do? We will burn her out!
God will judge all of you.
This world has
Wow. The Lady of Heaven. Wow. That's a beautiful trailer, y'all. After reacting to a lot of music, it's pretty nice to, like, you know, to sit down and just react to a trailer. So guys, so this is the end of this video. Make sure that you like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit notification bell. Yes. I hope you enjoy this trailer, The Lady of Heaven, because it looks really interesting. It looks like Arab. It's like Arab or something. I don't know. I don't want to get it twisted, but yeah, this movie looks really nice. It looks very nice. This movie that I just reacted to, trailer, The Lady of Heaven, this movie looks really good. I think I'm going to go and watch this movie. We are on our way to 1K subscribers, babies, because yes, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you comment down below, make sure that you like, make sure that you comment videos for me to react to next. And yes, y'all, without further ado, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.